Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials, the router name and password, and that your Xbox 360 supports wireless or has the adapter attached. Once done, power up the console and use the controller to open settings, then system, then network settings. This puts you right where the console looks for networks. Make sure your router is broadcasting and within a few meters. Weak signal causes failed handshakes. Now select the wireless setup option to scan for available networks. Once the list appears, pick your exact SSID. Don't guess if multiple similar names show. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully with the on-screen keyboard and double-check characters, because one wrong letter blocks authentication. The Xbox defaults to automatic IP and DNS, which works for most home networks. Choose manual only if you use static addressing. After entering credentials, the console will attempt to associate and obtain network settings. If it stalls, wait a minute and try rescanning to force a fresh handshake. You finish by running the test Xbox Live connection to confirm internet access and see your NAT type. This explains multiplayer behavior. If prompted, install system updates so services work correctly, then sign into your Xbox profile to access content. If the test fails, one key troubleshooting tip: reboot your router and console, then try again. This often clears DHCP or port mapping issues. If problems persist, move the console closer to the router and re-enter the password to...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.